Miss Jennifer here at Seigler's Karate Center, and I'm joined by Mr. Daniel being here as well. Hey, we're gonna go ahead and take you through a quick tutorial of how to tie your belt. Now, I'm gonna do this a couple of different ways. The easiest way is what I'm gonna show first, and then we're also gonna demonstrate how to do this, like if you're tying your own belt. Let's say you're an adult that's watching this and you wanna be able to tie your own belt. So the easiest way that we're gonna do this, that I find, is have your student face you. So you're just gonna face me, and I'm gonna start on his left-hand side, okay? So I would start here, turn towards the camera. So I'm gonna start just like this. I want the belt hanging down so it's just around his knee area. Now turn back to me. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this belt around so it'll cross over just like this. Let's turn just sideways, yeah, right there. And then I'm gonna wrap it around one more time like this, okay? Now you notice it's kind of uneven, so I'll just turn it just a little bit until it's even. And then this loose one is gonna go underneath both, like I'm tying shoelaces, and I'm gonna just tighten it up. And this is usually the preference of, the student. Some people like their belt really tight, some people like it loose, that's okay. Now I've got these two ends. The top one right here is gonna cross over the top. See how I did that? And then what's gonna happen is I'm gonna take this one through that hole right there, and I'll pull it tight, just like this. And then I can just snap it in, and that's how I'm gonna have the belt tied, okay? Now, I'm gonna actually let Mr. Daniel do the exact same thing again, but he's gonna do it himself. So I'll coach him through it. So he's gonna start on his left-hand side. He's gonna wrap that belt around his back, and then he's gonna wrap it around one more time. Okay, now that it's here, we're gonna even it out just a little bit, Mr. Daniel. Just kind of center it in the middle of your body. The top one is gonna go underneath both like you're tying shoelaces. Pull it tight. And then the one that's on top is the one that's gonna stay on top. So you're gonna cross it over the top, and that same one's gonna go around the other belt and through the hole, and then we're gonna pull it tight, just like that. And this, guys, is how you can actually tie your belt, or tie it for your student, or tie it for yourself. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate, reach out to us, and we'd be happy to help.